It's Rafael Cintron here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to ship your products from China all the way to the United States, the UK, Australia, anywhere where you're targeting or where you're running your ads to in 7 days or 7 to 10 days, especially now in this crazy time of Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the holidays, and all throughout 2021. We can't really rely on the shipping methods and the fulfillment methods that we did in 2018, 2019, even 2020. Now we need to adapt to the times. We need to adapt to all these lockdowns, all these things happening. So I'm going to show you the top shipping methods, all of them compared, and which ones should you use for your specific case. Let's go. Hey there, it's Rafael Cintron here from Automated E-commerce. We teach people how to grow and scale their Shopify businesses. Specifically now in 2020, 2021, and moving forward, we teach more than 47,000 people here. If you want to grow your Shopify business and actually get the top results that my students are seeing, 10K a month, even $100,000 per month on their Shopify store, we're offering a 15-minute free discovery strategy call where you can talk to either my trained partner or one of my six-figure students and see how our strategies can fit to you and see if we're a good fit to work together and get you results. Go ahead and click that first link in the description and book your free one-on-one time. All right, so here we have a list of pretty much all the available shipping methods that you have right now, depending on the supplier that you have. If you're using an external supplier or another type of company, you will have different other shipping methods. For example, some companies like CJ Dropshipping, they have their own shipping method. Other companies like S-Pocket, they have their own original shipping methods. I'm just gonna show you the top 17 shipping methods that are available, the ones that I personally recommend, and the ones that are doing the best for my particular students. So here we have calculating the shipping price and the shipping time to the United States. There's 17 different types of shipping methods. I took these from the Source Inbox website. I took one of the products that we're selling. Source Inbox is a supplier. If you've never heard of them, you can find a video in the link in the description, but they essentially ship products for my students and the customers that we get in about 7 to 15 days. So the shipping time is really, really good. The shipping quality is also good. You won't have that many problems with the product quality and won't have many big issues, and they're also pretty good with refunds, returns, and customer service. So that's why we particularly work with them. I'm not forcing you or telling you to work with them. If you do want to work with them, that's great. There's also many other options. Right now, the shipping methods that I would personally recommend, which are here, they all have varying costs, and the costs aren't really that big of a difference depending on where you're shipping. So in this example, to the United States, we have here Yanwen Special Line. I'm just going to read to you the top ones that I personally recommend. So the cost of this one is about $4 for this product. The cost of this product is about $20. So it's a product that you can sell for 60, 70, 75 or so. It arrives there in 7 to 15 days. Yanwen is actually getting really good results lately. Source Inbox has them as a priority shipping in the last couple of weeks because they've been shipping in about 10 days consistently, thousands of orders shipping within that time frame. You also have 4PX. Great shipping method. It's a fulfillment company, ships products from China to the US and many other countries. Also one I would recommend. You also have Express, which is the typical one. A lot of Aliexpress suppliers actually have Express and they ship it very quickly. It arrives there in about 2 weeks or 10 days. And the price differences, as you can see, are just a couple of cents. Usually it'll be a couple of dollars. Then also you have this JS America Special Line. I personally never tried it. I haven't had any students try it. I would not recommend it. You also have CNE Express, which has been working extremely well for my students and my clients. Definitely one that I would definitely recommend to you to use in your arsenal of all the shipping methods. CNE Express has been at least the most consistent. And I know it says 14 to 25 days here, but usually you'll get about 12-day or 14-day shipping with this particular shipping method. It's a company called CNE. That's the literal name of the company if you want to Google and check them out. ePacket is sort of the one that people have been using since 2017 for the past 3 years. ePacket has been the go-to for many dropshippers, specifically beginner dropshippers. If you go to AliExpress and you find which shipping methods you can get on AliExpress, usually ePacket will be the main one that everybody uses or the main one that everybody focuses. I personally don't recommend ePacket for many reasons. I've had issues personally with them, just really bad shipping times, really bad shipping quality, products get lost, and specifically, if you do ePacket by AliExpress, that's especially during this time, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the holidays 2021, you're pretty much just shooting yourself in the foot if you want to use ePacket for your business, especially for scaling. I've had many students have issues with ePacket. I just personally wouldn't recommend it. After CNE Express, my second favorite would be CNE Express Echo. It's just pretty much the same, just a couple, usually CNE Express will be a couple of days faster than Echo. Echo is more cheaper sometimes, or it is cheaper than CNE Express. In this case, it's a little bit more expensive. You have CNE Preferential. Preferential typically takes about 1 or 2 days faster, or is faster than CNE Express. So when CNE Express arrives there in like 10 days, CNE Preferential will get there in about 8 days. You also have CNE Promotion. I personally haven't tried it, so I wouldn't be able to recommend it. And you have so many different others. Yanwen UX Express, haven't tried it. Unexpress Standard, that's also the same as Unexpress, although I would use the original Unexpress. That one has worked really well for my clients. You have other ones like 4PX Preference Registered, haven't tried it. Unexpress Actual Weight, also haven't tried that one. And USPS. USPS will typically be a lot faster than all the other ones, specifically if you're shipping to the United States, obviously, but the prices will typically be higher on this product since it's a special one that's selling a lot. It has a lot of volume. They have a lot of quantities there at Source Inbox. The price difference isn't that big, but if you go to a product that is less sold, maybe more of an untapped product, the price difference will be pretty heavy, and it won't actually get there in 5 days. It'll take a little bit longer. You also have Yanwen Registered Airmail, have not tried it. China Post, would not personally try it for many reasons. And then DHL, which will be the fastest all around the world. DHL will always be the fastest. It's just crazy expensive. For this product, it's $22, so about the same price of the product. If you're selling a product that's $10, you can't really afford a $12 or $15 shipping price. It just wouldn't make that much sense. So those would be the top ones right here. As you can see in this particular screenshot, Source Inbox, the company that we particularly recommend, a couple of days ago sent a message saying that by analyzing the latest delivery performance of all the shipping methods to the US specifically, Cyber Monday, Black Friday, typically the US sells better, so that's why I'm going to focus on them. We found that Yanwen Special Line, which is the one in the first one, the Yanwen Express or the Yanwen Special Line, has been doing better and mostly falls between 7 and 10 days. And even though I don't have any really connections to Yanwen Special Line, I don't really know anybody from the company or the fulfillment service, I do want to show you some proof here because it's very important for you to just have the best shipping method available. So if you're getting great shipping, then I'm winning. I think I'm helping you and I'm giving you good value. In 17track.net right here, you can see the proof for a couple of these tracking numbers or a couple of these orders. There's about 30 in here with Yanwen. You can see they've gone in there in about 6 days from China all the way to this one is MD. I think it's Maryland. Should be, let's see, Bellevue, MD. I'm not really sure which state in the US is MD, but if we check the other ones, this one is Arkansas, I believe. Bella Vista, Arkansas. This one you have Connecticut. It arrived there in about 8 days from China to Connecticut. You can see all the tracking step by step here on 17track.net. If you don't know what 17track.net is, you can basically take any tracking number from any company, any shipping method, input it in there, and it'll tell you what tracking step by step is. So if you don't want to use a tracking app, like for example Aftership, which is a pretty cool tracking app, you can use 17track.net and send it to your customers so they can check all the steps by step of their tracking. And it's important to always, when you're trying out a new shipping line, you're trying out a new shipping method, to always pass it through some example tracking numbers. I would recommend to ask the supplier or ask the person that's telling you they can ship your products fast, if they can give you 5 or 10 sample tracking numbers. You put that on 17track and you check if it's actually legit. So in this case, 9 days, 7 days, 9 days. They had some 13 days, 14 days, 11 days. This one is still in transit from today is the 23rd, so about 4 days ago. 12 days, 14 days, still in transit from about 3 days ago. Transit from about 4 days ago. So these are really good shipping methods, 9, 9, 8, 8, and they're all with Yanwen Special Line, that particular one. If you go to the website, it's just a Chinese website that they have for the company that actually ships through Yanwen, or the Yanwen Shipping Company. It's not really a company that you can talk to that much. You can use them through, for example, Source Inbox, which is a supplier that we recommend. Highly recommend you do this with every single product that you get, or every single shipping method or supplier that is trying to get you to work with them. Always ask them for sample tracking numbers. Check them all like this. Make sure they're legit. If you see weird numbers, if you see random things going on, definitely don't work with them. Also, in that particular message or email that we got, moreover, the shipping price of Yanwen Special Line is generally lower than Unexpress or CNE. So Depending on the shipping method that you're trying right now, maybe you want to cut costs a little bit, especially during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. This message was from last week. The price of Yanwen might be better. I'm not advising you to go and take Yanwen. I advise you to do a lot of research by yourself and check your specific product, because for your specific product, maybe you can't ship it with this particular shipping method. So make sure to check with every single shipping method. My students, for example, here we have Natasha in our private group. She says 6 days delivery from China to the US using CNE. So CNE was the one that I talked about before here, 14 to 25 days, $4.67. She actually got it in about 6 days, and she's using 17track.net from China to the US, 6 days. So any of these shipping methods, the one that I've talked about, CNE Express, 4PX, Yanwen, and Unexpress, those 4 would be my top favorites out of this whole list. There's many others from other companies. Before we keep watching, I just want to congratulate Charlie from England for winning our $0 to $315,000 case study that I did with my student Johnny. We'll show you the ads, the strategy, and everything inside of that. If you want to win that case study, all you got to do is comment down below your city or your country. Anywhere in the world where you are watching us, just comment your city or your country. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that like button down below, and I'll pick a winner from this video. If you are the winner, have won the case study, make sure to send me an email with the link in the description. Some important things to keep in mind for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It's a very special weekend and a very special week in general for people that are selling online and e-commerce, specifically now that there's a lot of lockdowns, a lot of people with stay-at-home orders all over the world. Make sure to put these 6 things that I'm going to talk about all throughout your adventures in Black Friday, Cyber Monday with your e-commerce store, as well as 2021, 2022, whenever you are watching this. So first up, customer service. Don't ignore your customer requests. Don't ignore your customer's issues. Be proactive. If a customer asks you something or tells you something about their order, hey, where's my order? When is my order gonna arrive? Don't just ignore it and think that they'll forget about it. Though customers never actually forget about their orders. They just think about them. Sometimes they send you an email, they expect a response. You don't want any chargebacks. You don't want disputes on your PayPal account getting shut down, nothing like that. Prepare for the sales rush by hiring a VA to take care of the emails as well. Don't just take care of your emails of 100, 1,000 emails. That's not good for you. That's not gonna make you more money. That's not gonna be a good use of your time. A better use of your time is finding a VA that can take care of that. And you can also set up a software like Zendesk. We actually give our private clients our own Zendesk template so they can use Zendesk, make it all automated to automate their whole customer service. Scale your ad campaigns wisely. Weekend data can be a little bit inconsistent during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and especially all throughout, let's say, the next couple of months. You will see some inconsistency in the cost of ads, in the performance of ads. So don't just add more budget. Don't just think because, let's say in Black Friday, it's working well, oh, I'm gonna put a bunch of money towards Cyber Monday and hope that it works. It's not just magical. Like, it isn't just magic that more people buy or you make more money during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Yes, the traffic is more. People buy a lot more, but your offer still needs to be really good, and your strategy with your traffic and your advertising needs to be really good, as it needs to be in regular times of the year. Third point, don't devalue your brand with discounts. You can definitely use discounts. Discounts work very well during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and all throughout the year, but don't go and say, oh, get 80% off, 90% off. Yes, big brands can get away with that, like Target, Walmart. They can put a 90% tag on something and it will still sell. If you put a 90% off on something, it's just gonna devalue your brand. It's just gonna show people that your product isn't really worth the original price. So I would definitely encourage you to use 15, 20%, 10%, maximum 25% discounts on your products, and definitely use them in upsells as well. If you're having an upsell like reconvert, somebody buys from your store, they go ahead to a thank you page, you give them a 15% off on another product and a thank you page. Great way to incentivize more sales, and retarget with ads that include a discount in the ad text. We've done this a lot where we put a retargeting ad with just a coupon code saying, hey, looks like you forgot this in your cart, if you're targeting people that already added to cart on your website, and then just give them a coupon code to use, like cart 10 or forgot 10, something like that. Give them a coupon code, put that coupon code in the ad text of your retargeting campaign on Facebook. That will work very well. For the next 3 things, I have communicate with your agent fulfillment service constantly when scaling to avoid issues and take care of returns or refunds properly. I would highly encourage you to build a one-on-one relationship with your agent, or build a really solid relationship if you can, as much as you can, over the next 3 to 4 days, and obviously all throughout 2021 and the holidays, because it's important that if you have an issue, you go straight to your agent. Hey, I'm having this issue. Please help me fix it. Or, hey, I have 100 orders that are stuck somewhere. Please help me fix it. If you're just dealing with some random Aliexpress supplier, some random agent, some random company that won't really give you that customer service, you will get hurt. Your business will get hurt. So make sure that you're building that good relationship, long-term relationship with your agents, with people that are shipping your products. It will be worth a lot to you over the long run, and especially scaling up your company. You can also sell your store for more money if you have those great connections. Also, if necessary, hire part-time hourly staff to help you with Upwork. Onlinejobs.ph is a great resource to go and hire people. What I definitely recommend is what we do for our students. We give them a team of 16 people to help them with your whole store, all based in the Philippines, helping them with product research, store building, building out their product pages. You can do this as well. You can hire somebody to, let's say you're launching new products every day or every couple of days after Cyber Monday. Make sure you hire somebody to help you do the product page, help you do the product description. Don't just do it yourself. Spend more time on the marketing, on the advertising, on the scaling of the company. Highly recommend you start automating the process and hiring people, and also keep a close track of your profits. You don't just want to make a bunch of revenue. You don't just really, it doesn't really matter if you make $10,000 a day in revenue if you're losing or you're just making like $100 a day in profit. What you want to make sure is that you are making profit. You can use automated calculation apps like True Profit, great app to use. It's basically a profit tracking app with all the costs, everything related to your dropshipping business, your e-commerce business, your product costs, your ad costs, all of that. There's also another one called Order Metrics. A lot of people like to use it. I've had some issues with it. Other students have issues with it, but True Profit or any profit tracking company or profit tracking app will definitely help you scale up and scale up profitably, because we don't just want to make revenue, we want to make profit, that you can use that profit to reinvest in your business, grow it, and scale it from there. Those would be the 6 main things that I would focus on specifically for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, but also all throughout 2021, all throughout the next couple of years that you are running your business and scaling and crushing it. If you're watching this before Black Friday, Cyber Monday, go ahead and make this weekend great. Make as much money as you possibly can, and obviously as much profit as you possibly can, taking care of your customers, putting the right customer service, the right strategies behind on the back end, so you can make money again and again and again. And if you're watching this in 2021, then definitely watch the videos here on the channel, learn more from my strategies. I always keep you updated, and make sure that every single, let's say, month or a couple of months, you revise which shipping methods are the best. I made a video like this one 3 months ago, and the shipping methods were slightly different. Now they're a little bit different because they're always changing. There's always a new company that ships faster than everybody else. There's always a new supplier. If you want our help to grow and scale up your Shopify business, just like Alvaro right here, who scaled up his Shopify store to more than $600,000 in the span of 4 months, make sure to click that first link down in the description and book a free one-on-one discovery call with one of my team members who will take you through a strategy that your store needs, that your business needs to grow to the next level. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button. And if you want to know exactly how my student Charmaine scaled up to $300,000 on her Shopify store and all the strategy that came with it, step by step, with all the ads and everything inside of it, go ahead and click the video that's gonna pop up right here. 0 to 300K Shopify blueprint. Watch the video, learn from it. There's a lot of things to learn in it. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button down below, and I will see you on the next video. Book a call with us to see if we can help you.